Humanity has evolved for many years, from Neanderthals and cavemen and nomads, to inventors, creatives, artists. But so far only one particular genus of humanity has been able to combine the raw intensity of the caveman with the delicate balance of the modern man. Today we take a look at that one species that mastered the elements, the nerd. We have arrived at the scene of the nerd's naturally occurring habitat. Although our team of researchers took months and months to find this one place, we have located the location of the nerd to this one place. His parents' home. Follow me. Food. The essence of all life in this world. Everything we've ever seen has lived on food. And you can sense the amazing power of this creature. Stupendous. Quietly he approaches. Did you see the noble creature? Did you see him prepare his food? Like the great hunt, he is ready. He's coming back. Quiet. More important to life even than the food we just witnessed is the watering hole. The ultimate in sustenance for any animal. It is also the meeting place where all the animals in the jungle congregate towards one common goal, survival and quenching their thirst. Yet the nerd does not partake in this gesture with other animals of the jungle. He instead chooses to do this alone in his own solitary, highly evolved manner. Quickly he approaches, and the majesty is blinding. Astounding. The nerd takes the social aspect of his life in moderation, as he takes all things. His highly evolved nature causes him to stay removed from others. He speaks almost entirely through proxy via this machine.
Boom and shot! Boom and shot! My hands are shaking! My hands are shaking! But I'm still killing you and I'm still getting headshots! Boom and shot! Boom and shot!
Glorious. Competition keeps the wits in the body of the nerd honed into his majestic peak. But sorely all but one must die. All but one is dejected.
What? What was that? Hackers! Hackers!
Fantastic! We have followed the nerd through his natural habitat, through his eating and his drinking habits, but now we have to find out one mystery that has perplexed us all. Mating. We have yet to see a female nerd in the wild, but here we see as he tries to reproduce. He approaches.
Hi, my name is Lucas. I play Counter-Strike and I really like you a lot. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Sensuous. Although the nerd is usually a cautious beast, he can easily be lured from his home by the siren call of free video games. Watch as he approaches we capture him for the good of science. With this recently captured, through our own genius, bravery, and courage, we're not able to learn much about them. We're able to study them and find out exactly what makes them so endangered. But soon, we will have to release them back into the wild to feast on Mountain Dew and Hot Pockets once more. We'll all miss our friend. Join us next time on Nature's Wonders when we look at the elusive creature that is the goth.